What you doing?
Oh, doing the night shift. I want to get this damn hardtop up. So we got prep for the metalwork. These are just rusted off. That wouldn't have lasted long. Every one of them screws snapped.
Really?
Yeah.
So they weren't good anymore.
No. They wouldn't have been long.
So it's a good thing we're getting this done.
Well, we knew that already, but...
Hi, we are Erica and Davy, an adventurous, slightly crazy couple who has taken on the challenge that is a hurricane-damaged catamaran. We have come so far. Subscribe to our channel to follow our journey. Take a chance. You never know how perfect something may turn out to be.
Well, it's an exciting day.
Stupid roller falling apart.
Already?
Yeah. I'm going to change out for a new one.
What we doing?
A primer on the hardtop.
Primer, primer, primer. So it's so satisfying. This big one is finally catching up to the two smaller sections. Super satisfying. What else can I say?
It's fucking days and days and days of sanding. I am done. Done with you. Go away. Do your job and protect me from the sun.
So is it perfect?
No. Gonna paint it with non-skid.
Is it close to perfect?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. But decided to go with an option which will hide it a little bit, because otherwise we're going to spend weeks and weeks and weeks in this hot boatyard as it gets hotter and hotter as we get towards summer, and just to make something even smoother and smoother and smoother. Whereas we could be in the Bahamas enjoying it. So if we put non-skid on it, you won't. So there is a couple of very small dimples and stuff, which apparently only Davy can see. That's what everyone keeps telling me. So
well, we were told yesterday from some of the workers here in the yard. They were looking at it and they said
put sprinkles in it. Put sprinkles in it.
They said another 6 days, maybe it'll be done. So we've gone with primer.
Primer and then non-skid in an hour's time.
So it'll also be good to get used to the non-skid paint as well before we have to do the decks with it. Dual purpose, right?
I don't think it's very difficult. You just roll it on there.
I think you gotta mix the can better than what I did before. Look at the happy look on his face. That was a grouchy look.
I'm tired. I've been doing this for days. And get this damn primer on here. I'm going to sit and I'm going to watch it dry for an hour with a can of Budweiser. That's what I'm going to do. And as soon as it's dry, I'm going to sand it and I'm going to paint it again. And we actually will paint all three things at the same time.
That's
all
perfect.
three parts of the hardtop. So that means tomorrow
we can
I can actually put these things up. Now that will be a big day.
Yeah. And like I have said so many times, it is so much hotter inside the boat without that hardtop up there. So right now I'm trying to organize some of the provisions that I've got for the boat for the Bahamas, and I'm melting inside. I have to keep half the door closed because otherwise it's just the sun comes straight through. It's too hot. It's like I keep coming down here for a bit of breeze. I think you missed a spot.
Yeah, there's a spot over there. I just spotted it.
Be gone, filler. I'd say do the edge last. That's what kills
That's what mucks the rollers up.
Yeah.
You passed me my pot paint.
So Davy went into Publix the other day to buy some beer, and he got these. They were on special. I think he thought they were normal size, but they're like mini beers, so they're Davy sized. Maybe I should take them too. Brought you a beer.
Why? Don't we have any normal size? No, we've got a little mini me beer.
Davy sized.
That'll do.
But babe.
At least I don't go cold in there. Oh, you brought me two. That makes up for the mini size. Yeah, these were an unfortunate accidental buy actually. Well, it's unfortunate. It's still a beer, but I thought I was getting a case of bigger beer cans, so yeah.
It was a good price.
Yeah, but it was a good price. It was way too good a price. I opened it up to find 24 of these little baby beers in there.
So I know a lot of people have asked if we're going to be getting a mast put on Barefoot while we're on the hard this time. Unfortunately, we are not. It's just simply not in the budget this time around with everything else that we have done to the boat. You may have seen there is a few masts lying around this boatyard in some of the footage that we've shown. However, most of those masts belong to other boats. Like the one across the way here, you can see it being put back on board. And Barefoot is a 2014 catamaran, so she needs a specific type of mast. A raked mast. She can't just have any standard monohull mast.
Okay, so today could be the day that the hardtop goes back on the boat. So we're keeping our fingers crossed. We're gonna need quite a few strong people to help lift it up there. It's got a bit more weight than when we took it off. Is it perfect? Not 100%, but we'd rather get back out in the water, and we can always fix it up as we are
Just some small
chilling.
touch-ups. It's nothing major, but it's not Davy perfect. But it's not far off. Most people just think I'm stupid anyway. But anyway, there's probably a couple of little touch-ups, tiny bit of fairing here and there, maybe a little bit of extra couple of licks of paint. So I've been convinced. Get it on a damn boat.
Yes, get it on the boat.
So as you saw a few videos back, it only took 4 of us to get the hardtop off of the boat in order to fix it underneath. It was a little bit of a challenge, and because we were able to cut the old 2x2, it was easier to come off. Getting it back on the boat, I think, is going to be a little bit trickier.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Yeah, I'm walking up and I'll walk up the ladder with it.
Walk underneath, Sandy.
Not down.
Sorry, Sandy.
Got it?
No, lapos yan. Tama lang, para
It doesn't matter.
More? Alright, set it on the rail. There. Watch your back, Leo. Yeah, aquí, and my dad. No mas. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Okay, get some stands. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, suck it up, butter.
You're close to that solar panel there.
Want to come back some, or? Right there, it's pretty close. Fix that stand. There you go.
Got a choice.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
Oops.
Got a choice. Yeah.
They're only ready for
What's
75 pounds.
Thank you, darling. You ain't hot.
No.
I need a cigarette paper. Don't stand on.
Hold on. Hold on. If you go up, maybe one of us goes up on the deck and actually lift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yep. Okay, down.
Come we go.
There's no necessity. Sir, let's try that. Watch out. We lost the stand there. Someone grab help, Erica, please.
I need to get that. Stand right in there.
You got it?
But I'm pretty
That's
sure
the
that
quality.
this was like this. Yes. Like that.
Yeah, because I know I have one
Right.
knuckle.
Yeah.
One knuckle, my measurement is
Yeah.
from my knuckle to there.
Right.
And
Yeah, that's pretty
also
vertical right there.
From my knuckle to there, so it also still needs to go back more.
Need to go back some more.
Just Davy's favorite
Okay,
part.
back in plate.
that far enough?
Yeah. I need someone to push the screws through.
Can you push the screws through?
Top, outside, port side. There's the first one, right? One nut. Hold the top one, port side, babe.
With a screwdriver? Trying to film this. Like... Yeah.
Way. I don't want to do undo, we want to do up.
No, undo.
I'll
Only
just
do
drop
do.
the backing plate, babe. You're going to have to go in the engine when we get it.
Bleeding.
Alright, push through another one. Alright, that's another top one. Alright, another nut.
Was it that one? Oh, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Not the best place in the world to work.
Down.
I think we're actually too high at the front, which is what's causing
Yeah,
the
we're
misangle.
about a 1 inch.
Yeah, we're an inch there, and we're probably about the same in the front.
Yeah.
But this next one goes here.
That was the one that you
20 inch
measured.
20 inch from center, wasn't it, babe?
20 inch from center, yeah.
I need a tape measure.
Hey, Leo.
20 inches there.
Okay, so it needs to go where that wood is, basically.
Yeah. But we can lift it slightly and push the wood over. Oh, everything's moving.
Not too much.
Not too bad.
I just felt weird.
Right.
You're resting it on your head.
Yeah.
1 more inch. Stop. That's it.
Did you want to?
That one can come in after. Don't
Yeah.
worry about that.
Okay.
Glad I'm not the only one that measures like that.
I just take something that can't change. That's my.
But no, it's either 2 fingers or 3 fingers. Yeah.
I do the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, drill. Just went where she wanted to go.
Yeah, well, that's where it's gonna go. Let it down, and I'll just use the pressure to help
Okay.
hold it.
To be honest, at the bottom of that stand, it actually looks like it wants to go out as well. You were looking for the flatness on the fiberglass?
It's pretty close right there. I mean, I can live with that. That's the same. That's the same as your stanchion base over
Yeah,
there.
you happy with that? I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Hello.
It's in the right place because there's wood there.
There's your cow wear. That's half-inch bolt.
So many holes in my boat today.
Yes.
Try. Might need to be slightly bigger.
Other way.
And probably this
There you
way.
go. Yep.
Hole wants to be slightly bigger than ½ inch.
Yeah.
Do you have a bigger one?
I can just ream it.
Look at that.
That right, it's
Needs
not
to come
straight.
over a little bit.
It's not straight.
Yeah.
That's pulling that one up.
That's fine. How's that looking, people?
I mean, it's pretty good.
Yeah?
I mean, really, honestly.
It's stainless steel. It's not 2x2.
That's as far as you're gonna
Right,
go
drill.
that way.
Drill.
Because you're up
Oh, I
against
need the
your edge.
small... Can someone change this? She hates this chuck. Can someone put the small drill bit in?
No, this one.
Otherwise we'll be there for 20 minutes. Oh, you can go in there, no
Oh, I
problem.
can?
Yeah.
Well, what's the difference? I thought that was an impact driver.
Said I need 2 minutes.
2 minutos.
2 minutos, por favor.
Oh, maybe.
Do we need to move Starling?
Yeah, Starling should be
Ah, maybe it's okay.
It shouldn't be a problem, but I don't want to break it.
Yeah, we don't want to
Okay,
break
okay.
it.
Kind
You
of
don't have to get more money for those now.
Now we blew his rocket up.
Yeah.
He's going to probably charge us all more.
That was on purpose, though.
Yeah, well, he kind of had to. It was going out of control.
Right.
He didn't have much. I think he left it till the last moment and said, no, hit the detonation. We'll do it with it there. It'll be fine.
Por favor.
Stop.
Okay.
It's very close.
Good.
It might be a little. Oh.
It's very close.
It's
here.
very
I think
close.
it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
It might be a little bit too. I don't know. When you push it up like that, it looks like it might be a little bit too far back.
I think what we
Maybe
probably
probably
should do is have one stand here,
Right.
another one which goes across the V,
Right.
because that's what we got. We got to kind of match that a little bit, so I can actually drill through there and put the bolts back in once I got the glue in.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have shade!
Up a little bit. 1 inch. Okay.
Yeah, this needs to go up 1 inch for sure.
What do you think? We have a roof! The roof is on fire! It looks so much better without the 2x2.